Hey, what's going on, guys? It is your favorite stay at home millionaire here, Sierra Nicole, and I had to hop on and do a quick video because I just logged into the cotps platform and I hit the mine button, and this notification popped up. Now, it says system notification. Obviously, this is in a different language, so we are actually about to. Oh, I thought it would let me copy and paste it. So I'm about to put this in a Google Translator and let's see what it says. Okay, guys, so I just put the message into a Google Translator. I'm not sure why it's in Spanish on my COTPS platform, but anyways, I put it in a Google Translator and it says, due to some issues with Binance, a number of processes cannot be executed normally. The SMS channel will be restored to normal at 0 o'clock on the 22nd. We are sorry for the inconvenience caused. So, like I said, I got this message as soon as I logged into the COTPS platform. This is my first time logging in for today. And this is what came up when I clicked mine on the right hand corner. So yeah, that's the message that they gave. Let's see if they put a new message in the customer service portal. Usually takes a second. Okay, here we go. It says the platform has connected with new SMS operators, and the SMS in various countries is gradually being restored. Some countries and regions have returned to normal. For members of countries that have not been yet restored, please wait patiently. Okay, so this is the same message that they gave a few days ago. It's been there for a while. So this message that popped up, though, is a new message, the one that I just showed you guys. That's a new message that I had not seen before. And someone had actually sent me a screenshot from Telegram. Let me see if I can pull that up real quick. Okay, so one of my subscribers, so shout out to Michael, he actually sent this to me this morning. This is from a Telegram group. And it says here, hello everyone, the SMS channel of the COTP platform will return to normal on the 22nd, and everyone can withdraw funds normally. Recently, due to external factors, members cannot withdraw funds. I am deeply sorry. Thanks for the support and trust of new and old users. We will now hold a reward activity. So it looks like they are going to be giving rewards out for recharging your account. So if you recharge with $300, they'll give you 50. If you recharge with $500, they will give you 100, and so on and so forth. For all recharge users, the system will automatically give priority to review after the normal withdrawal on the 22nd because the number of users is too large, so please don't worry about it. So supposedly this is from the official COTP Telegram group. Like I said, this was sent to me, and then as you guys saw, I did get a message directly on the platform stating that on the 22nd is when they are going to be anticipating that the SMS will be back up and running smoothly where you can make withdrawals. Now, they are blaming Binance for this issue, which is pretty interesting. It seems like everybody is playing the blame game with Swapnext blaming COTP and now COTP blaming Binance. So this has been playing out somewhat interestingly. My account is still trading because I do, like I said, have the automation script on here. So it has been trading every single day, even through everything that's been going on. What is the total profits at? About 2,800. Not going to get too excited, obviously, because we don't even know the state of the platform right now. So we'll see. I guess we will have to wait until the 22nd. The 22nd is going to be on Sunday. So it is Friday, the 20th of May. We'll see what happens on Sunday. I'll be back with another update on Sunday to let you guys know. Or if I hear anything in the meantime, you guys know I'll definitely update you. But that is the update for today. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any more updates or content. My channel is all about making money online, entrepreneurship, and all that good stuff. Okay, so again, this is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole, and I'm going to catch you on the next video.